Hello guys, so today I'll be unboxing my Renegade Motorsports exhaust for the Honda S2000. There I am, McRib. Here it is. I got the resonated for my S2000 because I live in SoCal, so I don't want it to be that loud. My helper today will be Milo. So here we go. Get my knife ready. Seems like it's packaged really good. There we go, one corner. So I'll be opening the box right now. We'll be looking inside. I already cut all the tape and everything. He's just tripping out from the car making noises from, I just got back from work. Got my gloves on. That's sick. It's the hardware. This thing is nice. Look at that. This thing is really nice. Look at those welds. Exceptional welds, like it says. This is the, I'm guessing like the catback muffler. Mostly on their post, it just shows the muffler, the one that's really nice right there. But this is the resonated. I'm guessing if you were to order the non-resonated, you wouldn't get this. It'd be a straight pipe that would go into that muffler. But again, I didn't want it to be super loud. I wanted to be able to be functional. Come here. What do you think? You like it? Yeah, so this is really cool because on their website you don't really see this piece. It's always that piece in the back that's always showed on the quote-unquote like advertisements, like, oh, buy our exhaust, and you only see that one piece. This thing's really cool, but if you guys notice, I'm kind of keeping the audio low, or the volume of my voice, because it is kind of late. So like 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Ooh, that's nice. You get a nice, vibrant performance exhaust gasket. That's a really nice piece. It doesn't say that anywhere on like the description when you order it, you know what I mean? I thought I would have to source my own, but that's really nice. Good quality. You got a Renegade Motorsports sticker. This is really nice. Ooh, that's really nice too. Look at that. And OEM, I'm guessing Honda S2000 exhaust hanger. So this is probably for the passenger side since it's single exit. So that's really nice, man. None of this stuff is in the description. It's just like, hey, you buy the exhaust, you choose whether you want burnt or raw. I went with the raw. I don't really like all that color in there. It's just, I don't know. To me, that's just better. But you get this. You get a Renegade's business card with an S2000 on it. I don't know if that's the owner of the company or something. You get a little sticker. New hardware. Okay. New nuts for the hardware that go into the exhaust. So there's one, two, there should be a total of 5 bolts. And there is. Yeah, so once again, here's everything laid out. You get a new gasket that's gonna go from that muffler to that tip. And I'm guessing you gotta source your own for this 3-piece. Unless there's something else in here maybe I don't see. Just looks like packaging material. Yeah, it just looks like packaging material, but look at this thing. This is really nice. Like, their photos on their website do not do it justice. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, the photos were super nice, but it's like, when you see this in person, oh my God. Like, look at that. This thing, the craftsmanship, the design, everything's super freaking well thought out. Like, that is really cool. Again, I'm just wearing gloves because I don't want to get my oils on it from my hands. And my lighting isn't the best in the garage. But look at that. That thing is super nice. Like, I am super happy with my purchase. One, I like to support small companies. They're really cool. But again, this is the muffler that's always shown on their photos or ads. You think you're just getting like a, what is it called? Like a axle back exhaust is what they called. But here's the second part to it. You get all new hardware. I didn't know it was gonna be like Allen's, but whatever, that's fine. You get a new exhaust hanger bushing, OEM Honda part, and you get a gasket. That's pretty nice, you know what I mean? I wasn't expecting any of this. You get some stickers, which is this is like their motto, no guts, no glory. You get another one, which is really cool. And then their business card. I'm guessing maybe this is the owner of the company's. I'm not sure. A sponsored car. And their contact info. But they packaged it really well. I'm super satisfied. I can't wait to do an install video of this. Yeah, but make sure to stay tuned. I'll be doing more Honda S2000 content because I can't wait to see how this sounds, because mine will be, it will have a Comtech intake and an exhaust. It'll still have the cat on it. I do have a cat, what is it called, a test pipe, but I'll probably won't run it just to get it smogged. But like, this is super nice. I'm guessing obviously the non-resonated, this wouldn't be here. It would just be a pipe that still went to this connected. But I'm gonna be pretty satisfied. I've seen some videos, but again, it's kind of hard to tell on videos how the car is gonna sound, and I'm not very one to choose a super loud car. I've always liked like quality builds and not super loud and attention grabbing, but I just honestly thought this was probably the coolest exhaust on the market. And again, you're helping a small company, which I think your money goes farther in that. You know, you're supporting someone's dream, and I feel like I got a very unique product and something that's not just cookie cutter. There's a lot of thought that went into this. The muffler design, I think they went way above and beyond. You know what I mean? They could have just made a basic exhaust and, you know, charged whatever they wanted, but this is really nice. I think it's worth the money. Again, the resonated is more than the non-resonated. Again, more material. You have to add a muffler and stuff like that. I understand that, but they said it's going to be really nice sounding. It's going to have a unique sound due to their triangle muffler design. Obviously I have it on the bubble wrap because I don't want it to get dinged up. I'll bring the S2000 in the garage to install it and put a mat on the floor so this doesn't get scratched. But man, is this one awesome piece. Like, I can't stop looking at it. It's, I don't know, you guys ever get that dream car part where you're just like, wow, man, like I can't believe I have it. You know, I've only seen this on you know, the internet, and you know, obviously I follow their Instagram. And I first got introduced to their Instagrams. I went to a car event and I saw some guy wear a shirt and it said Renegade Motorsports, and I was like, what's that? A gentleman, I guess he knew the owner. He had a blue FK8, but yeah, that's how it all started. And I was like, okay, they make cool stuff for the S2000. Yeah, super hyped, super happy. Can't wait to install it. Peace out, guys. Have a good night. Catch you later. Next video.